CardioClear, a supplement that supposedly lowers high blood pressure, and apparently Dr. Gupta recommends it. True or not? Let's find out. It starts with a Facebook ad. A man says he has high blood pressure caused by something called arterial cement. Yes, arterial cement. And supposedly there's a simple recipe. Honey, a couple of other ingredients. And the recipe was supposedly developed by Dr. Gupta. According to the ad, it can clean out your arteries. Yeah, sure. I watched the whole ad. And guess what? They never reveal the recipe. Instead, they tell you to click the link. Because on the next page, Dr. Gupta will supposedly explain everything. Fine, let's click. And this is where I land. CBS News logo, huge video, and a headline saying Dr. Gupta reveals the Arterial Flush Ritual that lowers high blood pressure and has helped thousands of Americans. No medication, natural ingredients, removes arterial cement. Sounds impressive, except the page is fake. Look at these smaller videos. They don't even have real links. They're just there to make the page look legitimate. Now look at the CBS News logo, then look at the website address. They don't match. This page only looks like CBS News. It has nothing to do with CBS News. Now, the video itself, it's long. There are celebrities, regular people too, and they all talk about this simple recipe. Honey, some other ingredients, and supposedly it lowers blood pressure. They call it the Arterial Flush Ritual, and supposedly it costs only about $1 a day. Simple, right? I watched this video multiple times, the whole thing, and the recipe still not revealed. But Dr. Gupta is there, Dr. Oz is there, celebrities, regular people, everybody is talking about it, and the whole video keeps building to the same moment. The ingredients are coming, almost there, any second now. Come on. Nope, they never tell you. Instead, the video ends by saying the best parts of this recipe are already inside a supplement. CardioClear, gotcha. So this whole video, this whole fake news style page was built for one reason, to push you into buying CardioClear. The video ends, then a button appears, a hidden button that takes you straight to the payment page. Now you might ask, wait, Dr. Gupta is in the video, Dr. Oz is in the video. Why are they recommending this supplement? They aren't. This is fake, just like the so-called Arterial Flush Ritual. Dr. Sanjay Gupta and Dr. Oz have warned that their voices and video footage can be used in deepfake content to promote questionable treatments, supplements, and other products. So no, you cannot trust this. They have nothing to do with it. Now what happens if I actually try to buy CardioClear? Let's see. I land on the checkout page. They want my personal information and my credit card details. At the top, there's a 5-star rating. Then there are all these official looking badges. They're supposed to make CardioClear look certified and proven, except they're just images. They don't even link anywhere. They prove nothing. They're there to create the impression that this supplement passed some kind of testing. Then we get the pressure tactics. Supposedly, dozens of people are viewing the page right now. There are huge discounts. Everything is designed to make you buy before you stop and think. And of course, faster shipping is already selected. Because why not squeeze out a little more money? Scroll down, and here come the supposed reviews from real customers. A couple of pictures, some testimonials, but there's no proof these are actually verified buyers. No profile links. No real confirmation these people are genuine customers. So, yeah, that raises questions. And then I notice this. Trusted by 28,000 plus customers, 5 stars, with Trustpilot style branding. Okay, then Trustpilot should confirm that, right? So I checked Trustpilot, and there wasn't a single review for CardioClear, not one. So this claim about 28,000 customers, it looks fake, but maybe 28,000 people really did buy it. Fine. Let's check when the website selling this supplement was created. According to the domain information, the site was created on July 28th, just a few weeks earlier. So how exactly did a brand new website get 28,000 customers that fast? Totally. So here's what we have. What's shown in the video is fake. The supposed Dr. Gupta recommendation is fake, and because of that, the claims surrounding CardioClear deserve serious skepticism. Thanks for watching. Take care.